So right now let me need to start the Antutu benchmark test. And one more thing, I think this Antutu benchmark version in this phone, it's not detecting the normal 3D benchmark. It's detecting the 3D benchmark lite version. I'm not sure why. It did not detect the normal 3D benchmark application. It did download by itself the lite version. So I'm not sure what will be the scores in this Poco M3 Pro. Right now I'll try to disable the Wi-Fi as well during this time. The Wi-Fi connection is completely, I think, disabled at this point. So there's no Wi-Fi at all. And the battery percentage is close to 49% right now. Let's see the temperatures in the beginning. 33 degrees right now in terms of the running. As you can see, friends, 33 degrees, 33.6, not much. And my surrounding room temperature is also pretty low, 30 degrees only. As you can clearly see, friends, 33 and 30 degrees. It's not much higher. So right now I did able to run only the 3D benchmark lite version. So I'll try to run the actual 3D benchmark application. So this is a lite version which is right now processing the test. So we will be able to get to know only if you use the normal high-end 3D benchmark which we use for the normal mobile phones. I'm not sure why it's detecting only the lite thing. So I'll try to do the test if possible with the normal version in case. And the Dimensity 700U is really for me new processor, friends, in terms of the performance and everything. I'll try to do the side-by-side speed test comparison with plenty of other smartphones which I've got right now in my channel. I can do that kind of comparisons, speed test comparison, and even the gaming comparison. A lot of things I need to do on this Dimensity 700 processor, particularly in testing the performance and everything. So let's see, friends, how much the Poco M3 Pro is going to be handling in my kind of extreme stress test which I'll be putting on this phone. So for the next couple of days I'll be definitely doing in-depth comparisons. I'll try to focus in terms of the comparison with other smartphones, so mainly with the Poco X3 and even if possible maybe iQOO Z3 as well. I'll try to do that kind of comparison. Even I'll try to test the 4G plus aggregation as well. What is happening? 4G plus aggregation by using different SIM cards, Idea, Jio and V SIM card. So right now let's see how much score we can get actually in this phone. And the temperature is right now 34 degrees. So before it is 33, but right now it's 34 degrees, as you can see, friends. It's not much. And make sure to comment below, friends, what are the other videos you want me to make. Definitely I'll do my best to post the videos as soon as possible. So stay tuned for more videos on this phone in case if you have any other doubts. So right now let's see, friends, how much temperature the phone did increase just now. Let's see what will happen. Right now the temperature is of only 34 degrees. It's not increasing much. As you can see, friends, clearly 34 degrees only. So right now it's close to 88% of the Antutu benchmark test results. So let's see, friends, how much the Dimensity 700 processor can actually score. That is what I'm trying to see at this point. So in case if you have any other queries regarding the smartphone, so make sure to comment below, friends. So I did miss that kind of yellow color variant on this phone. So maybe in the future, if possible, I may buy that kind of yellow color variant as well. So right now it's close to 90%. So let's see how much more time still we take. So 90% still, and the temperatures is at 34 degrees only during this time of testing. So it did not increase much. So as I said, I am just trying to use only the 3D benchmark lite version. So for some reason it did not use the normal basic version. So I'll need to find out why, and I'll try to come back if possible as well. So testing with the normal 3D benchmark which we use on every day. There should not be much difference, friends, in terms of the lite and the normal version if you try to use. So right now it's kind of close to 96% and it's about to finish. So let's see, friends, how much more time this phone gonna take and how much score we will be expecting in this kind of results. That is a really good thing to know, how much score. So that is what I am really interested, friends, in the Dimensity, mainly Dimensity 700 processor. So because this is my first phone, I am really interested in the Dimensity 700 processor score in the Poco M3. As you can see, friends, right now we did get the score about 2,40,000, but the one thing is that my variant is a 4GB RAM variant. That is the reason we are seeing this kind of not supporting with the actual 3D benchmark application. That is what I did find out. As you can see right now, that is the reason you don't get any kind of GPU. But overall, in terms of the GPU, we will get about close to 70,000 and 80,000 in terms of the GPU performance. That is what I did see in the other 6GB RAM versions, what they are having. So this is a quick review, friends, on this Poco M3 Pro device, and make sure to comment below what are your thoughts on this one. And thank you for watching this video. And the final temperature, it did not even increase much as well during this process of testing in this Poco M3 Pro device. So that's it. It's normal 33 and 34 only during this time of testing. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.